has a lot of experience in teacher training, and I hope you guys will enjoy talking to Christopher Allen. And Dr. Kyoto has got a few words she'd like to tell us about Dr. Christopher before we get started. So, Dr. Kyoto.
Ajahn Chris and all the faculties and staff. Okay, we are here today. We have a very good opportunity to have a seminar today, and even more lucky to have Ajahn Chris Allen with us. I would like to tell you something about Ajahn Chris. Ajahn Chris Allen is a teacher trainer, lecturer, and education consultant. He specializes in curriculum, course, and language program design, teacher training, and material design in an ESL and EFL context. Ajahn Chris holds a master's degree in English language teaching and applied linguistics, a master in Southeast Asian history, and a bachelor's degree in Asian studies. And also, Ajahn Chris serves as an educational consultant to Pearson Longman Education and as an academic advisor for various schools in Thailand. He teaches courses in the MAT SOL program at Burapha University and for corporations and institutions in Thailand, including Thai International Airways, Mahidol University, Communication Authority Thailand, and the Thai Ministry of Education. Ajahn Chris has published extensively in Nation Multimedia, Longman, and various other scholarly journals. And he has conducted over 320 teacher training events in 7 countries in Southeast Asia and China. And Chris not only understands language learning from a teacher's perspective, but from the perspective of a language learner too. In addition to English, he is fluent in Thai and Mandarin Chinese. So, please join me in giving a warm welcome to Mr. Christopher Allen.
Okay, I'm going to use the microphone so I keep my voice. I did a 2-day workshop in Rayong just before coming here, so I'm afraid my voice is going to go out. Today we're going to look at, before we get started, I'm going to do a little bit of mind reading. This is the magic trick part. I can tell what you're thinking. Yes, she's wondering, when are we going to have the coffee break? Okay, and I was told the coffee break will be at 10:15. And then the second thing that she's wondering is, what time are we going to finish? We're going to finish with me at 12 o'clock, and then you're going to have lunch, and then you're going to come back, and I don't know what happens at that time. Maybe you get to go shopping or swimming, I'm not sure. Okay, so that gives you an idea of what we're going to do. And now it's about 9 o'clock. And I've been asked to cover 2 topics today. One of the topics is successfully teaching in heterogeneous classes. And this will be the first topic. I'm not sure if we'll finish it before the break or not. It doesn't matter, we'll continue after. And the second topic is transformational classroom management. Okay, and that deals with how to manage students effectively in the classroom. So we'll start with this, and let's look at heterogeneous classes. Now, it's my understanding that you teach different subjects. Who here is teaching English? Who's an English teacher? Okay. Who is a science teacher? Right. Who's a math teacher? Good. What else? Social studies and history. Any social studies and history teachers? No, you left them back in Bangsan? Okay. They couldn't find a way. They got to the bus late.
I'm here.
Here they are.
Just on time.
Just on time.
Good morning.
Hello, dear. Are you a social studies teacher?
Yes, it's
See? I told you the social studies teachers are always late. I told you.
Yes, ma'am.
No problem. Any other subjects that I'm missing? Does anyone else teach something different that I didn't mention?
Computer.
Health education. Fine. How many are health education teachers? 2, 3. Okay. Anything else?
Computer.
Any Thai language teachers? Oh, okay. And anything else? Music.
Chinese.
Where's the Chinese teachers? There she is.
Here.
Here you are.
Yes.
Okay. Any other subjects?
Computer.
Art and computer. Okay, we have quite a few subjects. Great. So we're going to look at heterogeneous classes. We have a group of heterogeneous teachers. So we're going to look at heterogeneous classes. What are heterogeneous classes to begin with? I want to make sure everyone understands what that means. What does that mean? Any idea? Yeah, mixed classes. And how are they mixed? In which ways? What was that? Randomly mixed. Okay, ability, culture, anything else?
Nationality.
Motivation, yeah. So there's actually, let me skip over here. There's actually different ways that classes are heterogeneous. When we think of it, normally we think about they're mixed in terms of ability level. But because we're teaching in an EFL context, it's not only their ability level with the subject, like social studies, but also their ability level with the language. And then there's other things that you didn't mention, such as learning styles, okay? Learning preferences. So there's actually quite a few different ways. To make this easy, what I intend to do today is to only focus on one thing, and that is their ability level, because I think that's probably the main thing, what you probably had in mind when you came up with this topic. Okay, let's do this to get things started. Can you sit back there or join this group, because I want everyone to have a partner. You can join any group you like. Okay? So make sure that you have a group of 2 or 3 people, and I want you to think about these 2 questions. First one is, what problems do you as a teacher face because you have heterogeneous classes? And the second question is, what problems do your students face? So we're looking at it from 2 different perspectives. The teacher's perspective and the student's perspective. Okay? So take a few minutes to brainstorm that, and then you're going to share your ideas with me to give me an idea of what things we need to look at.
ใ